Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full backup and place it in a separate folder so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the image database file and note its format, SQLite, MySQL dump, or a vendor. DB because the tools differ. Once done, stop any applications or services using that file to avoid write conflicts. Make sure no background process keeps a lock. This prevents further corruption and sets a safe starting point for repair. Now you inspect the database integrity with the appropriate tool. Run SQLite 3 Pragma Integrity Check for SQLite or Check Table and MySQLdump for MySQL to reveal errors. If corruption is isolated, export good rows into a fresh database and re-import them. When possible, use vendor recovery utilities to rebuild indexes. As you transfer data, validate image references and paths so missing files are detected. Correct broken pointers or update. Finish by rebuilding indexes and optimizing the database to improve stability. Use vacuum for SQLite or optimize table for MySQL to reclaim space and fix fragmentation. Once optimized, restart services and run the application through common image workflows to ensure thumbnails and full images load correctly. If problems remain, revert to your backup and collect error logs and sample corrupted entries so you can escalate to a specialist or use vendor support. A single troubleshooting tip: check file permissions and disk health first if repairs keep failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.